Hello everyone, to make the first DIY, here we have taken this plastic lid and we are going to stick the pistachio shells all the sides using glue gun. So we are going to stick all the pistachio shells using glue gun only. Like this. Let it dry, and after drying we are going to just paint it with black acrylic color. Paint it on both the sides in and out, and then here we have taken this golden dust. You can also take golden paint and we're going to just make it on the edges of the shells. So this is ready. Let's move ahead on our second DIY. Here we have taken this ball, we have painted it with gesso and we are going to paint it with blue acrylic color. Now here we have taken this headphone. It has broken, so we are going to reuse it. Take any small cap and just attach it like this. Then we have taken this map which comes for around 1 rupee and we are going to just stick it as the globe. So this is ready. So now let's move on our next DIY. Here we have taken one tape roll of bigger size and one of small size attached together with glue gun on top of each other, and we are going to take this wool. We have just rolled the wool 3 to 4 times to make it as a rope and just stick it using Fevibond, or you can also use Fevicol. Then here we have covered the pen with woolen and just decorated it and covered and we have also decorated it with laces. Now for our last DIY, here we have taken 3 circles and 2 foam circles of 13 diameter each. And firstly we are going to attach all the cardboard circles and then we are going to attach the foam circles on the other 2 sides of it. Like this. Now cut a strip of foam sheet and we are going to just stick it around the circumference to give it a clean look. Now here we have taken another circle of 22 diameter and stick it like this to make a cone, and we have also attached a circle with foam sheet covered on it to make it more harder. Then we are going to cut triangles. Here we have taken 5 pink and 5 lavender. You can choose any color you want to. Stick these all together and we are going to cut the excess foam sheet of it using scissors. Then I have just taken a template of the horse and I'm going to cut it on the white foam sheet, and then we have taken this pencil and we're going to roll it around the foam sheet. I have taken some more 4 pencils and painted with crimson shade. Stick these all on the 4 sides of the circle like this using glue gun, and here we have taken this cut work and also some yellow. Stick it to decorate the merry-go-round, and now we're going to give some detailing on the horses also like this. Now I'm going to attach all of these together with the pencil, and this is ready. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.